Hey guys, it's me, Urban Gardener, the Happy Cultivator, and I'm going to tell you guys why you should always help people out because good things come to good people. So, you guys know me, Urban. I'm an educator. I like to help the community, and I like to get seeds to people that are in need. Well, sometimes these people are my family, and it goes out to the friends of the family. So what happened was I sent my dad's wife some seeds to help out their local community over there. They have some good friends and they're into herbal remedies, and they really like using cannabis. As you guys know, Hawaii is a medical legal state. Well, they hadn't had any good genetics for a while, and I was able to get them out some good genetics. Needless to say, the folks over there are very happy with Urban, and I'm very happy to have my genetics on the islands with the Kamaaina. It's a good place to be. Well, through helping them out, I received a package of good karma. I was let known, don't be surprised when you receive an Amazon package. And so today, by surprise, an Amazon package showed up. It said heavy. I said, what is that? When I opened it up, it was a bag of Cinderite. Premium, all-natural volcanic additive. So I gotta say, Kathleen, thank you very much for this. I have never used this product, but it looks absolutely amazing. It looks basically like it is an azomite type of a product. As you can see, it is a premium volcanic soil conditioner. It remineralizes the soil. It dramatically improves the water retention. Good for indoor and outdoor use. It enhances your aeration, creating optimal oxygen levels, and it has a paramagnetic soil amendment within it. And you guys know that naturally volcanic is the way to go. You guys know I'm an azomite guy. Love my azomite rock dust. So I can't wait to add this mineralization into the urban garden and into my soil, my living organic soil. I know my worms, my microbes, they're going to love this stuff. So, guys, it's not all about you. It's about others as well. And remember, this community only lives and breathes through us. And you could go two ways about it. You could be an egomaniacal, greedy, money-grabbing capitalist, or you could be a peace-loving, know that there is spiritual energy hippie out there that just wants to help everybody get the medicine that they need. And I choose to go the second route and be a peace-loving hippie who wants to help everybody out. So with that, guys, I say keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden.